David is hungry, so David makes food. David shares his cooking with all of his friends. Yay! On another episode of Dinner with David, we have seared chicken and brown butter caper sauce with corn and pearl couscous. I don't think I've ever eaten or made couscous knowingly, so it's going to be an adventure, folks. Maybe this time I'll actually get the right bag of chicken. Who knows? So turns out, guys, this is pearl couscous. Look, let's see if I can burn the house down. Now it's time to add the corn and the garlic and the whites of the scallions in here. Yep, that's what we're doing. Nope, get up, all that, get in there. Gosh dang it, stinking corn. And now we're adding some tomato paste to the mixture of the corn stuff. All the veggies. Yum, yum, yum. So now that the corn and the couscous are done, we're going to put them all in that pot and let them just sit there together like friends. Be friends, people. And now we're cooking the chicken. And I got the right chicken this time. There's 4 pieces instead of little small pieces because I messed it up on the last episode. And the directions had said to use salt and pepper on the chicken. But I'm really pretty sure I broke my salt and pepper shaker. It's just not turning. Like, this will turn and it doesn't do anything out here, so I think I broke it. Yay! Crap. Now I'm making the sauce, although I think I'm boiling it all away. Let's stop that right now. And that, people, is the finished product. That totally looks like that, right? I'd say it looks pretty dang close. Minus, the good layout and stuff. Bon appetit. Now I just gotta clean up the corn that I made a mess of the whole frickin' floor. That was some pretty dang good stuff. I kinda wanna make that one again on my own.